All right, everyone. Well, welcome back to our show. And today we're talking about what are the differences between a mortgage lender and a mortgage banker. So that's what we're talking about today. All right, everyone. Well, welcome back to our show. And I'm your co host, Stephen Norris. And as always, my co host, Michael Dye with Megastar Financial up top. And today we're going to be talking about what are the differences between a mortgage lender and a banker or a mortgage banker. So, with that being said, Michael, you're in charge of this. So, kind of go over the main differences everyone should be aware of when they are looking to buy that house and the conversations between a mortgage lender and a bank or a banker.
Well, first and foremost, we're both lenders, right? And usually, in that sense, we're both licensed. A lot of the times, sometimes, but the biggest difference that we really see between the mortgage banker and a mortgage broker is the fact that mortgage lender or banker is an institution or bank that loans directly to you. As to where a broker doesn't really lend money, a broker goes ahead and has to facilitate and find a financial institution that'll lend to you. So, in that sense, mortgage bankers have access to money, as to where a lender will go ahead and has to find another institution. A lot of time, mortgage brokers might have, a more variety of different financial institutions that they work with. As to where a mortgage banker as well, Stephen, a lot of times, for us, we've got some portfolio products that a lot of these brokers don't even have access to as well. One of those is our roommate program, as you well know, that we can use,
Mhm.
to use a full 100% renter's income for someone that doesn't have a rental history to go ahead and use that income to help them qualify for a loan. So really, that's the really biggest difference between a mortgage banker and a mortgage broker is that, mortgage banker, we have our own funds and programs as to where a broker will go outside and doesn't have as much control of that file.
I love that. And so, with that being said, everyone, to kind of add on a little bit to what Michael said, when you are looking to buy your house, ask the questions. Ask the questions and have them answered very directly in a manner that you are able to understand to figure out what is going to be the best option for you because everyone's different and everyone has different needs pertaining to what situation that they are in life. Whether or not you are someone who's a self employed W 2 or you have 1099, W 9, whatever it may be, you're going to need different things. So you need to really ask the questions. That's what we have one of the best in the business up here to ask your questions to. And quite honestly, I've been on the phone many times. Michael gets other questions from other lenders and bankers, right? Because he is the real deal. So with that being said, everybody, thanks for tuning in. And when you have those questions about the options for buying your first house, reach out to us, please, and give us a phone call. We'd be more than happy to answer any and all questions that you have.
Yeah, I'd love to answer those questions and stay tuned because on our next show or one of our upcoming shows, I'll share a list of questions that you can ask any lender or broker, and they should give you some pretty good specific answers to that to help you
Mm-hmm.
out. So until next time, we look forward to talking to you again.
All right. Bye, everybody.